Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Hello, hello. It is cocktail time with Jamie. It is Thursday afternoon, and I am here live at Aroma Time, coming to you, bringing you a drink of the day. So today is a blueberry bourbon lemonade. I will give everybody a few minutes to log in. And sorry, my eye is itchy. Give everybody a minute here. Thank you for watching me. Marcus and I appreciate it. It is the end of the school year, so the end of June. I was actually just thinking about today, last year. The seniors graduated on Thursday. They did, obviously it was COVID time, so we weren't able to do a live graduation. But Ellenville made it super special for the seniors last year. But last year, Thursday night of this week, we had a parade during the day, and then we went to the drive-in and we watched graduation in our cars, families in pods, and the kids walking around, with masks on. So a little bit different this year. Graduation in Ellenville is tomorrow night, so congratulations to the 2021 graduates. Lots of kids we know are graduating tomorrow, or tonight, or tomorrow, or Saturday. So congratulations to everybody. So thank you everybody for watching me. Thank you for joining. Hello Ellen, hello Candace. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I love to see who is watching. Hello Michael, hello everybody. So thank you very much. I appreciate your support. Tonight is Thursday. We have jazz in our garden at 6:30 tonight. And we have decided that we are going to leave jazz on Thursday night. So we're going to continue having jazz every Thursday, probably till Labor Day, as long as John Simon and his crew is up for it. It will be out in our garden only, so if it rains, then we will cancel it. We will make a determination that day, unless we know a couple of days before. But 6:30, jazz in the garden tonight. I definitely recommend reservations. We will be busy, and we only have a limited number of tables. We're only doing outside dining tonight. It is beautiful out. You can sit outside under our tent. We're actually outside maneuvering some things around now so that we have room for jazz, and we have more tables, and we have a little serving station. So every day, Marcus and I are always thinking of new and different things to do in our business to make it better for you. I don't know if you saw Marcus's post or Aroma Time's post yesterday. Listen everybody, restaurants might be open at 100% capacity, but staff is not 100% yet. It is very difficult to find more and more staff. Our kitchen, it is hard to find staff. Please, if you have a problem, please call the restaurant that you have gone to. Believe me, no restaurant sets out in the morning, no owner sets out and says, you know what, today I'm gonna piss off this table and I'm gonna make them mad and I'm gonna make them write the worst review about me ever. Doesn't happen. Unfortunately, each situation is different, but if you have a problem with that restaurant, please, before you go write a bad review online, please write a review, please call the owner. So before you write a review, call the owner, call Marcus and I, and we will talk to you. We are not perfect. We are human. We all make mistakes. And if Marcus and I could do everything ourselves, we would, but we can't. So to provide a great service for you here at Aroma Time, obviously we have to have staff to do that with. And they're not gonna do things the way that we're gonna do them, and they might not do them the same way that you like it to be done. But please give the restaurant an opportunity to talk to you about it. If the restaurant shrugs you off and doesn't do anything, go ahead, write a review. But I'll tell you something, Marcus and I care about our business so much that we will respond quickly, and we want to resolve a problem quickly. And if we are here at the restaurant, if there's a problem, we will personally be at your table. So please talk to us. We have a 100% guarantee on everything. If you don't like something, please let us know. So sorry about that little thing there. But tonight is our jazz night. 6:30 is jazz. We have our $9.99 special to go until Sunday. Is our tuna. It's a rare sesame crusted tuna, sliced thin with a peanut glaze and a sriracha mayo. And I highly recommend getting the brown rice as a side. It's awesome. So anyway, we have that. Marcus and I just released that we will be doing a wine dinner July 5th. We only have 12 spots for this wine dinner. We are going to do champagnes from New York. So Method Champenois, champagnes, scallops, and oysters. Marcus is going to shuck oysters. We only have 12 spots. It is after a holiday weekend. It's Monday. Summer begins. We will be busy. So we only have 12 spots for that. So if you want to come to that wine dinner, I highly recommend making reservations early for that. So what else am I missing? I'm trying to think. We have lots of catering going on this weekend. So we will be busy. We appreciate everybody. But on to my drink. It is a blueberry bourbon lemonade. So I'm going to take some organic blueberries and I am going to muddle them with a little bit of lemon juice and agave. So as you know, agave is our simple syrup. So I'm making a lemonade. So lemonade is lemon juice, water, and a sugar of some sort. We use agave. And I'm going to muddle, oh, I lost some blueberries. I'm going to muddle these blueberries in my shaker. And I'm going to release all of the blueberry juice. Yum, yum, yum. And I love blueberries. I love lemonade. And I love bourbon. So this is an awesome drink. So thank you everybody for watching. Hello Candace. Hello Ellen. Hello Michael. Hello Mary. I appreciate everybody watching me. Super thankful for all of you. I'm blessed. I have a lot of you as good friends in my life. So super blessed for that. So I've muddled it all together in there. I'm going to add 2 ounces of Mr. Peabody bourbon. And I'm going to mix that up. So I always, once I put my agave in, I always put my warm liquor or alcohol in because it helps dissolve the agave. So I'm going to add another splash of lemon juice. I'm going to put ice in my shaker. And I'm going to shake that up. Give that a good shake. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm going to pour that into my glass. So the blueberries, obviously, the liquid gets stuck around the blueberries, but look how good that looks. Yum, yum, yum. It's going to keep coming out. Look at that color. What a beautiful blueberry. Thank you, everybody. Hello, Lynn. Thank you for watching. If you can give me, a thumbs up so I know you're here, that would be awesome. Yum. I'm going to add rocks because I like all of my drinks on the rocks, especially on a hot day. So there we have it. And today I feel like I am, I'm going to add just a couple of blueberries into my drink. Right on top there, just like that. So we have I have to add a little water too, sorry. And there we have it. I have a blueberry bourbon lemonade. So let me swirl it around and give it a taste. And then I'm gonna go sit. I have some work to do tonight. Thank you, Mary. Ooh, that is yummy. Yum. So funny thing, you know, Courtney bartends for me quite a bit, our daughter. And I walked in today and there's all of these cocktails sitting on the bar. She made 4 different cocktails. She was trying to use some vodka that we have, some apple and passion fruit vodka, to come up with a drink. So she has all these little sticky notes, which is what I usually do. So kind of cute. She said they didn't really come out that good. So I'll have to taste them, see how they taste, and maybe try to get one on our menu. But thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. I will be on tomorrow. If you have a drink that you would like to see me make, please private message me, put it in a comment. If you know a friend will appreciate these Facebook Lives, please put their name in there and tag them so that they can watch them. I'm usually on live every weekday at 4-ish. Yesterday we were on location at Ravine's Winery up in Geneva, in the Finger Lakes. And hello Debbie, thank you. I see some more people joining. So thank you everybody. And hope you have an awesome night. Get out there, go for a walk, go for a hike, bike ride, run. Just get out there and enjoy this beautiful weather. Welcome to summer. Summer is officially here. And that's it. Cheers, and I hope to see everybody soon. Have a wonderful night.